Hello everyone, and welcome to the Chapter 2 video notes that I'm going to be posting for Thursday's class for Math 320. Before I jump into the new material, I wanted to use this introduction to give you a couple of reminders and tell you about how the video notes are going to work. First, I want to say I'm going to talk pretty quickly because I want to make the videos as short as possible so that they upload quickly to YouTube and so that you don't have any issues downloading or playing them. So please remember that you can pause the videos anytime you want and you can rewind to rewatch things. So instead of me kind of leaving pauses in the videos, I'm just going to keep going through the material, but you should pause whenever you need to review something or try something on your own. So before we get into the notes, I want to make sure that you have your R Markdown project set up to be able to follow along with the code as we go. So you'll notice if you go to the iLearn page that under week 2, day 2, I've posted a chapter 2 Markdown file right here. And I want you to go ahead and click on that to download it. So it should download to your computer. You don't need to open it yet. We're going to go upload that to the RStudio server so that you can follow along in my Markdown file as we go through the video. So after you download that, I want you to go to the OtterStat server and open up your project. So you'll see I'm in my Chapter 2 in Class R project. I can see that on the top right-hand side of the screen. You want to open whatever you named your project from class on Tuesday when you were working in class on the Chapter 2 materials. So go into that project. You'll notice in my project right now, I just have the overall project file and then some CSV files, but I don't have a Markdown file yet to work off of. So I want to upload the Markdown file that we just downloaded from iLearn. So I'm going to click on Upload, choose the file. Mine is saved in my downloads because I didn't move it. I'm selecting the Chapter 2 Markdown file. It's currently zipped. That's fine. I'm going to click Open and then click OK. And the file has now uploaded. So I'm inside my project and I can open the Markdown file, and here is all of the code from Chapter 2. So you'll see some of the code is what you already did on Tuesday with Dr. Canner. So you might have that in a different Markdown file. That's fine. You can see how I've written it here. There's space to complete your section 2.5 activity. If you haven't yet, please make sure to pause and complete the complete the 2.5 activity before proceeding so that you make sure you're all up to date on descriptive statistics. And then today we're going to continue with section 2.6 and we'll keep going through the end of Chapter 2. All right, that's it for the introduction. Make sure that you've got your Markdown file all set up and ready to go, and then you can continue with the next video.